Hey, hi. So this will be the day three, but actually I skipped a day for work reasons, and this is right now 2:30 in morning, and I'll be doing the two questions for today. Then let's start. Mm, I'll go to the website directly. Okay, grind 75. Have done this question. This question was already done. There's a question: merge two sorted list. All right. So we will read this question first. We're reading it out loud correctly. Given given a head of two sorted linked list, was the two list into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the node of the first two list. Okay. Return the head of the merge list. So 1 2 4. This is 1 3 4. So 1 1 2 3 4. All right. So these are sorted list, and we need a one big merged sorted list. Mm-hmm. Is there any hint? So I guess this can be done using merge algo. Do I remember merge algo? No. Can I try? Yes. So let's create a new list first. So I'm coming here with zero knowledge right now. I forgot everything about this list, the struct of list node, how to create it, how to initialize it. So at the end, if I'm stuck, I'm not going to beat the bush. I will just ask GPT to correct most of it, but logic will be mine. I'm not going to ask the logic, or maybe I will not ask GPT. I'll beat the bush. This is my channel. This is my video. I'll take whatever time it takes. Yeah. Okay, sorry. So, we should be inside a loop, right? While list 1 and list 2, right, till they are not null. If list 1 dash val is greater than or equal to list 2 dash val, then lee dash val I mean, each time I need to create a new node and put it to next of it, or maybe maybe I can just point to that node and be happy about my day, right? Then Lee. How should I do it in that case? We'll see. First, I'll do the logic. Lee val should be uh, list to value, and I guess list to should be equal to list to next. Now see, this is where my confusion comes. If list 2 going to be null in next pointer, it might throw null here, right? Or maybe something I'm missing. I should not. This list to next, this will be null, and then yeah, I guess this will be fine. I can do else same thing, and I'll just put this one here, and we'll do for list 1 list 1. I want to look at Lee. I'll just return it. I need to understand how this list is going to behave and what all I can do in this. It is saying line number 25. Does not return a value. Maybe this thing is inside while, right? Oh, okay. I'm returning a list node, right? Oh. List 1. Expression result unused. Non-void function does not return a value. Let's do this then. This bracket is this bracket, and this bracket is this bracket, so therefore this bracket is this bracket. Okay, I got the point. At line number 26, we are getting this error about this list 1, and this is just a warning. Okay, I'll ask GPT for his help. Not going to waste too much time. Ask how to create a list.
I didn't get that. Could you
Okay,
try again?
fine. How to create a list. Alright, I forgot to give this list. Okay, list node equals new list node. Okay. Mm-hmm. Alright, I'll try to do this. Strawber equals new list node, and this is empty like this. I'll be giving li here, and I need to check. This bracket here is fine, and this bracket here is also fine. This bracket is also fine. This is also fine. I'll use GBD. Okay, it is flagged. Non-void function, returning function was this declared. You do not have a return statement. Fuck. I'm so sorry you have to watch this. Actually, it's too late, I guess. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for this. So output is coming out as 4, and okay, it gets updated each time. So I'm thinking it is coming out as 4. Oh my god. Okay. I'll write remainder of the code. If list 1 I'll have to do li dash val equals list 1 val list 1 equals list 1 next. I mean, kind of same thing but in repeat. So let's do 4. I'll just do while, right? Yeah. List 2 list 2 list 2 and list 2, and I will just make a test run here. I think breaks. It does not. You'll get my point. So it does not break. Now I want to understand how to create this list exactly. I guess this should be the logic for merge. So and then I will have to create a new list node, right? And yep, I believe so. Then I'll do list node new equals new list node, and this and this, and this, and I'll do T, list not T. Yes, yes. So I'll do instead of this, I'll do okay, fine. Acha, okay. I'll also have to keep this in the memory maybe. Lee, and make it as answer, right? And I'll just return answer. And I have this list and I have this answer, and what I'll do is instead of doing this, I'll do T, and I'll do Lee next equals T. Similarly here, T, Lee next equals T, and similarly this thing here as well, both of these things here, and all of this here. And this will be 2, and I will do answer next. Maybe I hope this should be answer, but it can fail in some of the edge cases. I'll just make a check. Okay, the answer is still 4. Okay, case 2, empty is empty. Case 3, 0 is 0. 0 is 0. But in this case, 1, 2, and 4. If I just do return answer, what will be the answer? Zero and 4. As no value was provided, the first one is 0, I believe, right? And then if list 1 has a greater value or equal to list 2 value, we are using list 2, we are assigning this to list 2. Okay, every time it is creating a new list, maybe that's the problem. I guess I'll just do this then. Next. This means I need to understand the basic of list. This clearly means that, okay, I'll study list. Basically, I know lists so badly. Now I'm realizing. So I believe what I have understood in my mind just now. This should work. If this doesn't, I will take the help of GPT. No more waiting. तेरी चांदनिया तेरी पत्थरों दिल संभल जरा मोहब्बत करना चला not value यार I'm sorry I'm so sorry I have to do next ext and also an ext and also this one is an ext. The fuck. This will not fix it, but yep. List node, I'll have a new list node, answer should be pointing it to this one. Okay. Okay, I'll put this to GPT and I believe no need to give description. Implementation some issues. Pointer management in merge list when you write list next or list next to skipping nodes. Instead you should assign the current node to list next. Okay. After assigning Linux to your next list. Okay. My bad. So this logic was of mine, like was fine. I'll use my logic then come to this later. Okay, this is pretty interesting. I'll keep this. Okay, fine. I'm really sorry. मेरा दिमाग कहाँ चला गया है? List next equals list to next. Okay, fine. This not be like this. This should be like this, and this should be like this. This should also be like this, and like this, like this. See, you just need a copy paste. So, next बराबर list 1. Okay. Next. Now copy this one, put it here, copy that one, put it there, and exactly what I'm doing here. Mm-hmm. So I'm not moving forward in my list. That means right. I'll uncomment this and put the thing in end of it. In end of it. Now let's run it. Alright, we will work out the list thing in detail. Just in a moment I'll upload a different video maybe. There we will learn based on this example itself. Okay. One thing which it has used is this list equals Lee next equals list 1 colon list 2 and it is list 1 list 1 after list 2 then list 2. That's it. This is a neat one. I'll use it. Just let's submit this one. And yep, this is working fine. Alright, in next video, this was a little frustrating. I didn't know list, so this was frustrating. I'll try to explore list. Just give me a second. I'll upload a new video. We'll discuss list. Thanks and bye. Hey, hi. So we are here to understand that linked list thing. So this is for me, I'll maximize this to full screen and okay, I'll use this page. Fine. So given a linked list, it was something like this. Wait, just give me a sec. I'll pull that question. Just a second. Cannot draw. Why? Okay, now. So this is the question, and let's talk about so let's talk about this. To create, so see, this is a linked list. Let's dry run it in our sense. Okay, so suppose there's existing list 1. This is node 1 2 3, and other is 1 5 6. So 1 2 and 3, single list, right? 1 2 and 3. Other one is 1 5 and 6. Looks pretty right. The fuck. 1 5 and 6. Alright, so I have created a new list at line number 14 at line, alright, line number 14 we have created new list. So any created new list, you see it will start with value 0. So it starts with value 0 as per line number 6, right? Yeah, by default it will start with 0, and we have a pointer to next node of it, whatever it is going to be. No, we have a pointer storing its address. Basically pointers are all address storage mechanism, and this value is not stored, but the memory address where the value is stored has a pointer. So right now li and answer, like list 1 is pointing here, list 1, and this one list 2, and here answer and li will be pointing. Suppose this is a address 2000, this is address 3000, and this is address 4000, right? 4000, both are keeping. So this is a memory area, and suppose they are keeping the address of this area. So there will be, you can say, a node will be basically, see, and what I'm trying to say, a node will be keeping the value as well as the area, that is next pointer, like two things that will be keeping at a time. So that is why it will be called a node, right? So right now it is keeping an address, and other one is the memory, what the value. So right now better way to represent it will be, I'll just erase it bit so we can understand it better, hopefully. So let's create list 1. So list 1 will be, first node is here, second node is here, and third, not like this. Why it is not automatically creating shapes? First node is here, and it will contain 2 areas. I'll create it big. And this will be the area, and I'll just Yeah. All right. So this will be value. Suppose value on the right side and address on the left side. So value is 1, second value is 2, third value is 3. Suppose this is as 1000, then this will be at 1004, right, as the integers are of 4 byte. So taking 4 bytes of space, and this will be at 1008, and this will be at suppose 2000, and this will be 1, 5 and 6. So this will be 2004 and 2006. Now let's point like this. One mistake which I have made is, if this is 1000, right, this will be keeping the address of the next node. Okay, so I'm very bad explaining, but I will understand. No problem. You will get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so what is happening is so you can see, right, the next, this is the next part of it. This will be next, this will be val, means the whatever it is stored is the val, next val, like address of next node. So address of this node will be something like 996. This will be 1000, and this will be 1004, and next whatever 1008 is null, right? Similarly here, null. So 1996, 2000 and 2004, these are the addresses. Now what I have created is li. This is list 1, this is list 2, and I have created li. Li has the value 0 initially, 0, and address, suppose next point address 3000, then current address will be 2996, and at each iteration what we are doing is we are going next, and suppose the value of this one, this is equal, then what we are doing is we are taking a list 2 value. So this will be next point, like it will be pointing at 1996 now, 1996. Getting my point? We are not creating any new nodes now at this point. This is directly not 3000 but 1996. Now this 1996 is here and value is 1. Okay, so now we will be creating another node. So we are crossed at this node, and list 2 is pointing at this. So this one is greater and this will be smaller. So next will be 1 again, and this will be from address. So it is creating 1996, but next address will not be clear till now because the next is null, right? So this will not be 1996. I'm really sorry. This will be 2000 after next iteration, 2000, and this is right now null and it is not pointing anywhere. So this is also done, and we will go to this step, and we are at this. Now 2 is smaller, so instead of null, place of null, we will be getting 1000, as address, and it will be 2. And this will be null again, so let's leave it. Next will be based on this this next will be 3, and this will be filled up with 1004, and next one will be simply 3, and this will be 2004, and this will be 5, and next one will be 6, and this one will be storing 2004, and okay, sorry, it will be storing 2000, and this one will be storing 2004, and this will be storing null. So this is how it is working. No new nodes are created, and we are continuously pointing at new nodes and all. Yeah, I guess I don't want to increase the length of this video. I'll do another question, combine all the videos, and I'll put it. Yeah, so back to the another question. Created the video about linked list. Now let's get back to another question. So you should check that linked list video out. Actually, you are coming back after checking only because all these 3 videos are staged, and I'm not putting any much efforts in editing. So yeah, so let's do the other one. Other question. What is the other question? Market is complete. Best time to buy and sell stocks. Okay, fine. So this one is saying you are given an array prices where prices I is the price of given stock on ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day future to sell the stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. All right, I cannot return, so this will be a buying day, right? Any days, like these are days. I would want to determine a day such that I'll buy, and determine a day such that I'll sell and make the most profit. So I'll have to get the lowest possible number and highest possible number. And that lowest possible number should be before the highest possible number. Means I need to get the highest difference between 2 numbers in order. So what I can do is, first I'll make a loop and I'll do 7 minus 1, no answer, 5, negative answer I will remove, 5 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 3, 3, and what I need to return maximum profit. Okay, 1 minus 6, 5. Okay, so this will be an n square problem quite easily, right? Okay. So array is going to be 10 to the power 4, and it is going to be n square to 10 to the power, I don't know how much. So 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4, it's going to be 10 to the power 8, right? I'm really not sure. Okay, sorry, this is the value of given integer. Okay, 10 to the power 5, it is going to be 10 to the power 10, right? So brute force is not going to work. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe. So I'm not anyways going to use brute force. That is very obvious, I guess. There should be an easier solution by the looks of it, right? Let me see. So 715364. If I do 7 to 1, 7 minus 1, not a big answer. I'll keep a max number and a min number, right? And do the answer. Okay, I'll keep a number which will be giving me answers in positive, right? So 7 minus 1 can be 999, right? Any number can be like, see, it is starting from 7. If this was 99, 99 minus 1 is going to be something negative, right? But if 99 is here and here is something big number, like if this number is going to give me anything positive in future, suppose this number is better be giving any that, like whatever the difference between them plus that much positive number, right? So 77 minus 9 is going to give me 92, but 7 minus 99 is going to give me 92, but 1 minus 19 will be giving me 98. So if there's a negative number, I should proceed, right? And if I go and 1 minus 5 I do and I get answer 4, I should keep it, right? Till I am getting the positive numbers. 1 minus 3 is going to be 2, so answer is not that big. 1 minus 6 is going to be 5, answer is that big, like 5. And 1 minus 4 is going to be 3, so 1 minus 6 is going to be the answer. I'll talk about the edge cases, what I believe. We'll see. 7 minus 6 is going to give minus 1, so we'll leave it. We'll go further. Then we'll go to 6, and 6 minus 4 is again giving us a negative answer. We'll do nothing. 4 minus 3, negative answer, nothing. 3 minus 1, negative answer, nothing. So we are going to return 0 if in case. Okay, I got an answer in my mind. I'll just implement it. 4 and I equals 0. I should be less than price dot size and I plus plus. Here what you can do is okay, what is I'm going to keep int I and t equal to 0, and if we'll start with 1, right? If a prices of IND minus prices of I is less than 0, then we should move on. Means IND should equal to I, and what should we do is else. I don't know if else should be there or not. Yeah, else should be there. We should not keep answer as negative, so else should be there, and we will do else and answer equals 0, and we will be returning answer. Return answer else else IND, no IND, I mean answer equals price prices of IND minus prices of I believe. I guess it should also be max of yeah, max of answer another bracket comma answer, and I should put another bracket here as well. Yeah, let's see. Wrong answer, and again wrong answer. I guess what it is doing is 7 minus 1, so 0. If it is less than 0, then why I'm doing it as I? Okay, I'm increasing it further, and is I'm making 1 up. Okay, so right now it is 6. I mean 7 minus 1 is going to be 6, right? So if prices of 7 minus prices of 1, that is obviously less than 0. I think it is evaluating or not. Let's do a bracket. Might not be evaluating, but it should be like this. Let's see. Okay, so what it says is prices of IND is 0, obviously. So prices of 7 minus 1 is less than 0, obviously. So IND should go to next one, 1, right? And prices of index 0 minus prices of, okay, got it. I'm sorry, it should be I here and IND here, IND here, yes, like this. What happened? Oh, output is 0, output is 0. So 1 minus 7 is 0, obviously. Then 1 minus 1 is also 0. So we are not increasing the IND, obviously, and answer is going to be 0 right now, right? And then IND at this only, and 5 minus 1 is going to happen. Okay, I believe. Okay. So IND is now at 1, and I is at 5. So it should be greater than 0, and yeah, I minus IND. I'm just confused, or I'm just sleepy, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, both cases are accepted. I'm just worried about some now I'm worried about some edge cases. Are there any edge cases here? Or can I optimize it? I don't know. Let's just submit this one. Hope for the best. Yep, accepted. Is there any further optimization in this one? I'm not sure. Let's just think about it for like 2 minutes and we'll wind it up. Any optimization possible? Don't think so. also equals max of prices of I. So and so and so and so. Okay, I guess this is fine. Okay, I'll stop recording. I think this was easy enough actually. Hmm. Yep. Bye.